Meaning of grant-aided.
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 Grant-aided. Grant-aided means receiving financial support, typically from a government or other funding organization, to assist with the cost of a project or program. This financial aid can be in the form of a grant, a loan, or other types of financial assistance. The main advantage of being grant-aided is that it allows organizations and individuals to pursue projects and programs that might otherwise be too expensive or beyond their financial means. It can also provide stability since the funding is guaranteed for a specified period, allowing organizations to plan accordingly. However, there may be conditions attached to the funding, such as specific requirements for how the money is used or reporting requirements. Additionally, grant-aided organizations may have less autonomy in decision-making since the funding organization may have some degree of control over the project or program.